In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can return skins or emotes here in Fortnite quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Fortnite does allow you to return certain purchases, but there are some rules that you do need to know first. To get started, go to the main lobby where you can see your character and go ahead and hit the options button on your controller or select your profile picture. Select these settings here up in the very top right and then go all the way over to your account and privacy section and scroll down and you're going to see recent purchases right here. Go ahead and open this up. Here you can see the actual rules. So if you accidentally purchase something with $3, you can cancel that purchase as long as it hasn't been equipped or used in gameplay. And also, it must have been purchased within the last 24 hours. If it's been longer than 24 hours or you've already used that item, you're going to have to use a return ticket instead. And you can get up to 3 return tickets total. And if you do receive 1 additional ticket every 12 months until you reach the maximum. As you can see, I currently have 3 right here. If you have a ticket available, all you have to do is find the item on here, select it, and then hit return. But if you're trying to cancel the purchase itself, what you're going to want to do is actually do that from the item shop. So let's go ahead and say that I just purchased, I guess we'll do this skin right here, right? Actually, no, we just made a bunch of Resident Evil Requiem videos. Let's do Grace Ashcroft from Resident Evil Requiem. She looks honestly awful as this skin. She does not look like she does in the game. This is a bad skin. But essentially, let's say that we went ahead and purchased this right here. We would be able to claim this skin, and then we'd be able to cancel it from this same screen as well, just by holding down cancel purchase, and boom, as you can see, it has now been returned to us. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions about the return process, the cancel process, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.